Many of you have asked for an easy work-from-home job that has afternoon or nighttime training, and that's why I'm so excited to give you these job leads. I have 2 training-included work-from-home jobs available right now. Training is later in the day into the evening hours, and you can work either first or second shift. Both of these jobs come to us from Liberty University, a fully accredited institution that's been around since 1971. So what we need to do is go to their website, liberty.edu, and on the homepage, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And over here on the right, we're going to click Work at Liberty. We're going to select Staff Jobs, and that'll show us all the staff-related jobs they have open right now. And then under Location, we're going to select Remote Location, View Jobs. And we can see right now they have 4 remote opportunities open right now. So if any of these jobs interest you, make sure to check them out. The 2 jobs I'm sharing today are this Enrollment Call Center Agent Pre-Acceptance Student Stage and this Enrollment Call Center Post-Acceptance Student Stage. These jobs are very similar. For the most part, they're call center customer service opportunities. Both of them have training sessions that go from afternoon into the evening, and you can work first or second shift for both of these jobs. So let's take a quick peek at this pre-acceptance student stage opportunity. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions. And when it comes to training, it's an intensive training session lasting 8 to 10 weeks, and it'll go from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. And they want you to be able to work first or second shifts, rotating Saturdays and occasional overtime. And they tell us when you apply for this job, your application will be considered for a couple opportunities. Their selection process will match your skills and experience to the position that best aligns with your qualification. So it's really not necessary to apply for both of the jobs I'm sharing today. So you'll be part of the online enrollment team, engaging with prospective students and guiding them through the enrollment process. So you'll handle a high volume of outbound calls as well as incoming inquiries regarding graduate and undergraduate programs, converting prospective students into qualified applicants for Liberty University online programs. You'll counsel prospective students on program fit, admissions requirements, financial aid processes, transfer guidelines, and military-related issues. You'll answer complex questions related to the university's admission policies and procedures while utilizing information management systems to perform contacts and record necessary information. You'll promote the features and benefits of all undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral programs, emphasizing the value of an online education, build relationships with support offices to address student concerns and enhance the student experience, implement daily and weekly feedback from the management team to improve processes and exceed departmental key performance indicators, and identify new and innovative ways to enhance recruitment and student services. So all they want from you is a high school diploma. They tell us customer service or sales experience is preferred. A bachelor's degree or previous contact center experience is a plus. So you don't necessarily need related experience, but if you do come with that experience, you'll definitely stand out. You need to be comfortable using Microsoft Office applications, and you're a really good communicator. And again, you'll work either first or second shift, and they'll train you for 8 to 10 weeks from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. And when it comes to the salary, at the bottom of the job description, they tell us they'll pay you $17.50 per hour. So if you apply for this position, they will take a look at your application and match you to the best position they do have available, which could be this Enrollment Call Center Post-Acceptance Student Stage opportunity. So this one too is full-time remote anywhere within the United States, no location restrictions. Training will be for 8 to 10 weeks, and it'll be during the hours of 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. And then your shift will include evening hours. You'll work 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time with Saturdays and occasional overtime. So this job is similar to the one we just talked about, but you're going to work in the post-acceptance stage. You'll encourage students through meaningful conversations, walking alongside them as they prepare for a renewing academic career. So that means you'll provide exceptional customer service to students and other university employees, primarily over the phone, but also in email communication, expertly navigating all student issues to complete an accurate resolution, utilizing knowledge of online programs and university policies, and connecting students with the correct person or department when needed. You'll answer questions of a complex nature regarding the university's policies, develop relationships, and coordinate with support offices to solve student problems and address student concerns, find new and innovative ways to become more effective and efficient in new student services, and implement daily and weekly feedback from the management team on areas to improve. So for this job, they want you to have some customer service or sales experience. A degree and previous experience in a contact center is preferred. They want you to be able to work first or second shifts with rotating Saturdays and occasional overtime. But if you remember down here, they do say you'll work evening hours 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that does overlap with first and second shift. You're comfortable using Microsoft Office products and you can respond to emails and phone calls within 24 hours. You're highly professional, you're ethical, and you have good reasoning and analytical skills. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the job description because down here they tell us they'll pay you $17.50 per hour. So these two jobs are similar with afternoon evening shift training. And remember, if you apply for one of them, they'll see if you're a match to that one or any other opportunities they have. So hopefully you can grab one of these beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs that'll train you during the afternoon and evening hours. And if you happen to be looking for a data entry work-from-home job, something processing documents, a beginner-friendly work-from-home job, or a job that gives you a free laptop, you can find those jobs in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.